What if I told you that for the price of a weekend getaway, you could get a computer powerful enough to handle work, streaming, and even multiple monitors, all in a box smaller than your lunch? Meet the Blackview MP100, a mini PC that's turning heads because it's compact, surprisingly powerful, and costs less than most smartphones. But here's the catch. It's not just the size or the price that makes this interesting. Stick with me, because in the next couple of minutes, I'll show you why this tiny machine might just be the budget-friendly workhorse you've been waiting for. So let's break it down. The MP100 is Blackview's latest refresh of their mini PC lineup, now packing AMD's Ryzen 5 7430U processor. That's 6 Zen 3 Plus cores. Not exactly gaming beast territory, but plenty of muscle for everyday tasks, video calls, multitasking, and light creative work. It comes in two versions. The base model has 16 gigabytes of RAM and a 512 SSD, while the higher tier doubles both memory and storage, giving you 32 gigs of RAM and a full terabyte for just 277 euros. Now, here's where it gets impressive. This thing measures only 5 by 5 inches and less than 2 inches tall. You can literally mount it behind a monitor with a VESA bracket and forget it's even there. But don't let the size fool you. It's still expandable. You can upgrade the RAM to 64 gigs and even add a second SSD later on. On the connectivity side, it's got you covered. Wi-Fi 6, Gigabit Ethernet, HDMI, DisplayPort, and not one, but two USB-C ports capable of 10 gigabits per second data transfer and 4K at 60 Hz. Add in two USB 3.2 Gen 2, a legacy USB 2.0, and of course, your trusty headphone jack. And yes, you can run multiple monitors at once without breaking a sweat. So, what's the bottom line? For just over 220 euros, you're getting a compact PC that's affordable, versatile, and powerful enough for students, home office users, or anyone who just wants a reliable everyday machine without spending a fortune. The only trade-off? Warranty claims might be trickier since it's shipping from overseas, but for many, the performance-to-price ratio will outweigh that risk. If you're curious, I'll drop a link in the description so you can check it out yourself. And if you want more breakdowns of affordable tech that punches above its weight, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because sometimes the smallest gadgets deliver the biggest surprises.